Hi, I'm Isaiah, and I'm doing voice impressions. Alright, so this is a video I've been wanting to do for a while, and I asked you guys on all my social media to give me some people you guys want to see me impersonate, and I also added some people that I wanted to try to impersonate as well. A lot of these I'm trying, so I'm not sure how to do some of them. There are going to be some bad ones, maybe some good ones, we'll see. Hey, I'm Maury. I'm the hormone monster.
What you gonna do? You're the man, Steve.
I don't know, I'm Coach Steve. I made thinking your mom's warm. Oh my god, Andrew, you like warped my carpets and my credit score is low. Andrew? I was just doing the worm dance. Patrick! That was not good.
I'm Patrick. Hey, SpongeBob.
Go away, SpongeBob.
My name is Barack Obama. I don't think we should be building this wall.
I don't care what you say. We're gonna build this wall and it's gonna be great.
Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man. Tina, what's wrong?
It's alright. I think she's just tired. Come on, Tina. Snap out of it.
Mommy. Mama. Hey, Peter.
No. I gotta ask Loretta first. Giggity. Alright. That one was not good. No. It's okay. I stay. I clean. You like popsicles, Chris? I got popsicles. Oh, there you go, sweetie. I'm Mrs. Doubtfire.
Ha.
I see trees of green, red roses too.
Chocolate rain. Oh, Tina, you stupid lord.
Wow. Ka-chow. Hi, I'm Shawn Mendes, and this is In My Blood.
Hi, I'm Harry Styles.
Hi, I'm Niall Horan.
Looks like we have a celebrity. Mr. Potter.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Kermit the Frog here.
Oh, Kermit.
Hello, my name is Caitlyn Jenner. My name was Bruce, but now I go by Kate. I want you to get excited about your life. I'm Morgan Freeman. I played God in the movie. Now, what is the meaning of life? Wouldn't we all like to know?
Oh, it's my precious. My precious. It's mine. You can't have it.
Mike Wazowski. It's impossible. No capes.
I found my family. Ohana means family.
I'm Batman. Where is she?
Oh,
Judge me by size, do you?
oh yeah.
My name is Jason Statham and I'll punch you in the face.
I'm Christopher Walken. Do you know why they play ping pong?
You take the bill and you put it in the drink. Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. Can I take your order? Listen, first of all. No, he wasn't ready.
How you doing? I am Shaq.
Get to the chopper.
I hate Christmas. It's the worst holiday. My mama always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Oh, Muriel, the things I do for love. Hey, it's me, Nesserina.
So good, so tasty. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I tried my best on all of those. I know there was like some really bad ones, whatever. But yep, I just like made a list and I tried to do a lot of them from memory. Some of them I had to look up to see what they sounded like again. So hopefully some of them were good. I hope at least I did like a little bit good. So today's comment shout out is Melissa M and My Life and Family. Thank you so much for watching, and if you feel like a comment shout out in the next video, make sure to comment down below, and the more unique the comment, the more likely you are to get a shout out. Peace.
That's all, folks.